GTARC here. Yes, a bit of a name change, ground to air RC. I have been previously known to be Sky Pilot, but now that's changed. I've got a more broader name. Hope you like it. If you do or you don't, drop me a comment. Either way, it's here to stay. Let's go. Welcome to my channel. I haven't posted something for a long time. However, I have received some awesome goodies from my great friends at gtpower. I've been using them for a long time now, and they are my main get-to for charging up all my lipos for my quads. However, this doesn't really look like a charger. It's actually a jet fan. We're going to open her up, see what you get in the box, have a chat about what you actually use this jet fan for, and does it really work? Let's go. So what does the box say? GTpower jet fan, maximum RPM, we're looking at 100,000 RPM. That's a heck of a lot of spinning. Outdoor use, absolutely take it away with you. If you're doing some flying at the beach like me, it's good to give them a bit of a blow afterwards, so that's going to come in really handy. Clean up your cables, blow dust, etc. Nice little solid box. On the back here we're talking about, it's the model KK. Operates from 9.3 to 12 volts, 1100 milliamp hour battery, charging time is 3 hours, like I said, 100,000 RPM, 300 grams weight. This is a French blue color and it's aluminium alloy. Let's get in the box. GTpower always have really good QC instruction booklet. Which is all in English, lets you know what the lights do, how the fan works, and Chinese if you like to read Chinese. Nice little piece of padding here to protect it. There's the unit itself. A nozzle adapter screw-on thingy-jiggy, a little wrist handle thingy so you can carry it around your wrist, and a small bag containing what I suspect to be a USB-C in there. Straight away this thing looks and feels really well made. Really nice machining, moulding, etc. GTpower written on the side there. Nice little compact size and nice bit of weight to it. So the 1100 milliamp battery, that's all built in. You can't take that out. Pretty sure it doesn't screw out. No. USB-C, like I said, to charge that up. That's a metal fan blade. That's not plastic. That's going to last you a long time. Nice little metal grill there to stop nasties going in and possibly your finger chopping it off. Nice little, looks like plastic sort of diffuser there to push the air into a nice flow. So as you can see underneath, we have a few different things happening. We've got a little connector there for your wrist strap, USB-C, power on off button. We've got some LED indicators up the top here, 4 of them, and some LEDs for flashlight setting. So to turn it on, it's simply a long press of the button. You'll see all 4 lights come on. 4 lights means quite powerful, and then it drops down 3, that's 2, down to 1. Nice little gentle blow, and long press again will shut the unit down. Screwing on the little reducer here, obviously that's going to give you, it's a nice fit too, really cool design. It's going to give you a little bit more bang for your buck when you're blowing. Oh, it's actually really impressive. There are a couple of different modes. There's like a push and pulse mode. You just simply press it and take your finger off. It turns it on and off depending on your speed as well. Or what you can do is turn it on, press the button underneath, and you can actually use it without pushing the button in to start it. And you can also turn it down automatically and it will slow right down if you wish, and no need to press the button. and push it again to cancel the mode, so that's really handy. Now, should you find yourself out in the dark, you've come in a little bit too late and you still want to have a look around, you can actually use this as a torch as well, which is really handy. These two little LEDs here are your torches, so to turn that on you simply long press the button underneath whilst pushing the power button up top here to turn on. And there we go, we have a neat little torch. Sure if you can see that, but that's more than adequate to get you out of trouble. Really cool. To turn off, I imagine you do the same thing in reverse. Long press and off she goes, lovely, and power down. A neat little unit, that is a cracker. What I did notice as well is through these little holes you can see a green light flashing. So what that means is when you have it's pretty much a flash every second a bit, it's a medium battery power level, and once that flashes fast, that means you are getting low on power, time to recharge. So it's a nice little feature as well. That's a nice little compact unit, guys. Like I said, small enough to chuck in your FPV or your RC bag. Get yourself out of trouble at night time. Blow all that crap off. Thanks, gtpower. Link down below, folks. Check them out. Where to buy it from. There's an Australian link there. Knock yourself out. Really good value. Bang for your buck. 10 out of 10. Going straight in my FPV bag. Jet fan, do yourself a favour, guys, grab one of these. This thing is awesome. See you next time. Lots more gtpower reviews coming up, including some awesome charges, truck lighting system. Check out my other videos. Spring's almost here. It's time to get flying. See you guys soon. That's a wrap. See you in the sky. Bye for now.